welcome to another video. Just want to show you how the camera makes it look quite light here, but it's dark, really dark. And that guy's got a, that's only a side light, but it looks like a headlight that he's got on, but it's only a little side light. And if you look at it from the back, it's got no lights at all on the back. But the camera doesn't do this justice because it really is quite dark. This clip here, we're on the good old M25 again. I need to show you this clip from start to finish. It may be a bit long-winded, but I need to show you a proper time scale of people trying to get into the correct lane. As you can see, we've got 1 mile to the A3, which is the inside lane. So you've got plenty of time. You've got a whole mile to get into the correct lane. And as I've said in previous videos, on junctions that I know that this is going to happen, I go out into the middle lane because I know that people in lane 2 there are going to be cutting in, and you're safer in either the middle lane or the outside lane. Sometimes the highway code, you've got to use common sense as well as the highway code. Second sign here, you've got half a mile already. You've got half a mile to get into the correct lane, which is the left lane if you want to go off to the A3. Now it's starting to queue, but obviously there's important people that don't think they need to queue. And as you saw from the sign that we've just gone past, it's 40 miles an hour. They've had to reduce the motorway to 40 miles an hour just because of people cutting in. Because you can see that the motorway, although it is pretty busy, it's not like the M25 busy, and it's just because of people cutting in that they have to reduce the speed limit to make everyone safe. And here we have it. Here we have it. There's your one car that does it. Leaves it to about 7 or 8 cars before it has to get in. It's had a whole mile to get into the correct lane, and they're looking at it from the rear. What it does is makes this lorry pull out in front of the other lorry, and the scaffold lorry, which is now in lane 1, literally stop in lane 1 because of one car. Can't get it right. Okay, next clip, we're still on the good old M25. I wonder if any of you can spot something that should not be happening on this road. When I go to the rear camera in a second, I wonder if you can spot what shouldn't be happening. As far as I'm aware, not unless they've changed the rules, that lorry should not be out there on the outside lane. On the outside lane of the M25. Does it matter that we're crawling in heavy traffic? Don't think so. Again, not unless they've changed the rules. Let us know if they have, because I haven't heard anything. No bad driving in this clip. I just need to show you this gobshite. That guy in the van just doesn't want his drink, just throws it out. Why not put it in a bin, you lazy shit? Now this clip here is all about braking distance. This van behind me is so close, it's ridiculous. I'm doing about 50 miles an hour at one point in this clip, and it's less than a car length away from me. Just about now. That's less than a car. I'm doing about 50.
closer to me, mate.
And as the BMW overtakes, you'll see it's only a car length now. So way too close. No reason for it, and I'm turning left.
Coming at you, I'd want to see Declan getting over as quickly as possible and try and sort of doubling up. It's fascinating, you know, because it's a game.
Again, camera really doesn't do it justice how close this is and how fast he's going.
Fucking hell!
Chocolate bar in secret to someone special, just to, you know, give them a little lift. With the Cadbury Secret Santa Postal Service,
Just didn't slow down. I mean, he was fucking
from a poster. They're popping
about an inch away from hitting me.
from great big cities to great.
Well, £66 per month, £30 up
Even
front,
with
24
that
months,
30
TPI
frames
plus
per
3.9%,
second,
increase every
I
month.
can't
Best
get a
in
clear
network
picture of him.
performance, verified, e.co.uk/claims, terms apply.
That's the best I can do. That's how fast he was going.
Fucking hell!
Chocolate bar in secret to someone special, just to.
Now this clip here, I've had a few messages about parking on the wrong side of the road and why you shouldn't do it. This is a perfect example of why you shouldn't do it. Obviously, I've got to wait for these cars coming towards me. They got priority over me. But can you see anything parked behind that Mercedes? No. And could they see me? No. Just pulled out pretty quickly for someone that had no view as well. This clip here is all about pedestrians. Why do they make crossing a road look so difficult? You got a crossing there, why not use it the correct way? So involved in her phone and following the other guy. You go in there, you turn left, then you turn right across the road. Simple. But no, they go the opposite way. And whatever was on her phone was so interesting that she's got a clear road now to cross the road. She's still there. So, still there. Why?
We're up against South Korea, and again that one 7 o'clock for us here in the UK. 10 o'clock over there, so we got our times right
That
again.
one's
Simon,
sitting there on the
it's all
phone.
kicking off back here, and at 10 o'clock over there, so we got our times right
That
again.
one's
Simon,
sitting there on the
it's all
phone.
kicking off back here, and it's a club. It's sad to hear this.
Well, it's not going to be 10
Now this
wickets for
clip here, this BMW coming out of that turn in there, it's forced its way out in front of that van. Now it accelerates too quick, making the other truck swerve, pulls straight out in front of me as well. I had to slow down. That's not the way you do it.
Demands to be let out. Demands.
80 runs on the board before the lunch break, but they've been losing wickets regularly.
Her brain health was now actually worse.
Scotland has already issued
Now
guidance
this
on
clip
heading
here
and
is a
training.
classic
There could be
non-merging
delays to
turn
Christmas
person.
deliveries as Royal Mail workers begin a
I'd
new
like to
wave of strikes
talk
today,
about
ahead
these
of the
signs here, these on the floor here. A lot of people don't understand them, that you can go straight on or turn right. But if someone's got their indicator on, if that car there had its indicator on, why would you go behind it? You'll be in the wrong lane. You'll only be waiting there, or you're going to be wanting to push in. Now, getting back to where I am, the merging turn, this car here is already over my lane a little bit. So I'm thinking straight away I'm going to have trouble with it. It's already a foot over into my lane-ish.
The Kremlin says the deal to swap Brittany Griner isn't a sign their relationship with the US has improved. The basketball
Now,
star is on
as
her
you can
way
see,
home after she
it
was
accelerates,
exchanged for a
tries
Russian
to not do a merging turn with me. But I can see there's something parked in front. It takes a long time for her to realise it.
You've got no
And what's
idea
this?
about to do it, have you? Look.
She still couldn't even see it. I think there's something wrong with her eyesight.
And the Kremlin says the deal to swap Brittany Griner
Now, if you see this from the front,
with the US has improved. The basketball star is on her way home after she was exchanged.
you'll see
for
the
a
car in
Russian
front of me is
dancer.
first away, then the van, then me, then it should be her.
Wintry showers in
We've
Northern
given
parts,
each
sunny
other
spells
plenty of
elsewhere,
braking
cold
distance,
for
but as you
everyone.
just saw, she don't know nothing about braking distance neither.
You've got no idea about to do it, have you? Look. Fucking cretin.
this. I think if England can take care of France.
Now we're looking at this car over here now. Still on the M25. A lovely M25.
I think the only team
It's going off, right?
is England.
Okay, right. Okay.
No,
We're going
it's
to talk
not.
about England all
It's
morning.
changed
Of
its
course we
mind.
will. England
Coming
preparing
back
for the
on.
French. Where do you stand in this then, Danny? Back three versus back four and the Mbappe conundrum. I think he'll stick with the back four. I think they will.
We're still looking at that same car.
Might tweak the
And I'm in the middle lane because of the junction that I said previously in the video.
If you play Bellingham inside on that right, he's got the athletic. They can switch wings, they can do all sorts. But I think if you play Bellingham inside on that right, he's got the athleticism.
Fuck off. You've got to be fucking joking me. You ain't coming in here. Piss off.
He's also got the tenacity, the desire to get back and help Ryan.
Not the way motorways work, mate.
I've got no issue with Mbappe race to go.
Not the way motorways work, mate.
I've got no issue with Mbappe race to go. Kyle Walker sent him down the line. Where's the danger? Straight race. I'm not a huge
Fucking idiot.
He's got bags of experience, bags of pace. If he sends him down the line,
And I think this coming up was a little message.
or cuts in from the line,
What do you think?
Mbappe wants to come inside.
Why he's so close to me?
All Kyle Walker's got to think is show
That there.
Favourite Christmas movies for just $36.99 a month with club card prices, saving you
Still on the good old M25.
This is Supermarket Mobile. Search Tesco Mobile.
As you can see, I'm overtaking this private hire to the left. And the lorry moves over, so I can overtake him. You look at it from the rear. Where's the private hire gone? Oh look, there he is. He's just undertaken it.
Notice how I went the right way and the private hire went the wrong way.
Danny Mills. We're all live on TalkSport. We're streaming live on YouTube and Facebook as well. You can watch the lads here with me in the 17th.
I'm in Slough for this clip. That there is a private hire car licensed by Slough Council.
Know the bus lane times then, yeah, because I couldn't see it.
So it knows the bus lane times. We don't, and we can't even see it because it's pointing the wrong way. Typical Slough Council. But just have a little watch of how it takes this roundabout. Considering this is Slough High Street coming up, it should know this area pretty well.
Cut straight across me, mate, yeah?
This Friday morning. Keep them coming. 810 89.
You know that, yeah?
Before we resume our
Idiot.
chat with Danny and with
Fucking
Carlton,
another professional
find out what's
driver.
going on in Multan, the second test,
Apparently.
Pakistan, England. John.
I think that's a pretty good spot.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting him to go into a fat face window. So, you're doing some live gigs. You've added an extra day. I
hell,
see
mate.
you're doing some stuff around Christmas. Crimbo Bimbo. Crimbo Bimbo. Yep. It's a
Yeah,
selection.
you got a
of,
car behind
you know,
you? Is
festive
that alright?
films and
If you
a lot of
drive a
Christmas
little
junk.
bit.
We'll get through 6 in that show.
Wow.
Yeah. Is that sort of
Like a kind of Christmas Madonna.
Yeah,
Lots of costume changes.
leaving the stage in another Christmas? Christmas
Quality bit of
Madonna's
driving
the
that
best
one,
title
mate.
for the show.
Quality.
Have you got any of these got?
Just up in front, you can just about see that bike there that's going to go straight for a red light. We know that. That's what they do. You see it going around the bend there.
Without the walk-on girls now.
Yeah, they've dropped those, haven't we? I think we have. Yeah, that's right.
And to the right place for you in as little as
A little bit further down the road, the same bike. Not doing a lot wrong there. But then just decides to go right out across everyone. Right on the wrong side of the road for a bit. To then go on to the pavement.
Same guy who went through the red light just back there. Idiot.
And this clip here, I've had a lot of people telling me that doing 3-point turns or turning the roads is okay. What about this one then? You think this one's okay?
wait for you to do that sort of manoeuvre, shall we?
All in cinemas from this Friday. Book your tickets now.
At William Hill, we get the value of the